Okay, so next up is an adage / développé exercise. So, quite a tricky one. Lots of holds in the développés, which some of you will love me for. Give it a go. Really, again, I keep saying that in these exercises, but especially the ones which require a lot of strength with lifting your legs. Think about your abdominal muscles, think about your glutes and your bum. So just for example, when we take a développé devant, as you extend out, I should be squeezing my bottom muscles, which I am doing. So I've spoken to a few of you about this in class. Think as though you've got a pencil in between your bum cheeks and you're squeezing it really tightly. That will also help with your turnout. So as well as activating those bottom muscles, those glutes, which really good muscles, really important. It's going to work wonders for that turnout, okay? So if I just keep my hand on my hip to begin with, as you extend this leg, we're thinking about carrying a plate of food on our upper thigh there, and we don't want to drop it. So that's going to help us to maintain our turnout. My tummy muscles are awful. I've realised doing these online classes, exercises, how awful they are watching myself back. So it's one of the things I need to work on post having my babies, which I knew there'd be a few things which would take a bit longer to get back to normal, back to a new normal. But yeah, it's helped me to realise doing these videos. But what I wanted to say on from that is really yourself, try not to copy certain aspects of my middle body, because it's not the strongest it's been. So trust yourself, activate those abdominals, okay? So it should be a sort of a contraction feel in your tummy. So you should feel like those two lines of abdominals are sort of rolling in, around, wrapping around something. So use that imagery to try and help you with this one. Right, so we'll have a rise to begin with, and open the arm and lower. We've got a développé devant, okay, and we're going to lower the foot in front of us, keep it dégagé, because then we're going to do a port de bras down to the leg, and lift, and close, arm comes down. Then we've got arm to first, arm and leg to second. Now this is a slightly harder développé, so it's not coming from fifth position, it's just going to lift en l'air from that position in second. You're going to hold it for quite a while, you'll see the music in a while, and close. And then slightly different to what we'd usually do in class, any of the exercises in grades. So for this one, instead of just taking it développé derrière, we're going to extend the back leg derrière, then we're going to lift up into attitude. Okay, so this position, just do your checks, so make sure you're nice and square. Imagine a lovely image for you, lamppost. Imagine that leg, just to take it out a little bit, is a dog weeing up a lamppost, yeah? So that's the kind of, not too much, you don't want to be twisting your hips round to open them that way. But as you lift your leg into attitude, it just helps to lift that knee up slightly if you use that imagery. Okay, so we're there, and then arm's going to come through to that first arabesque, and we're going to extend that leg behind us. Lower and close. We're going to dégagé the foot, coupe in, arm comes down.